Next, I want to show you parallelogram, and you can find them again under the same category as rectangle. I go to Insert menu, Profile, Predefined Profiles, and from here I select parallelogram. And again, you can see that I really need 3 points to create a parallelogram. I click on that, and I click here for the first point, this for the second point, and you can see that the third point is going to define the shape of the parallelogram. Once again, you can see that I have, of course, disabled the geometrical constraint, but right now there is nothing important that Catia can understand it. Let's go and see if there is any other type of parallelogram. There is another one, and that is the centered parallelogram. So I click on that, and for this, you can see that it asks me to select a line. As a matter of fact, right now I don't have any line for that. So before doing this, let me activate the axis command. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to have an axis like this for the first one, and I'm going to click on that one more time, and I'm going to have an axis like this. So let's go to centered parallelogram. This is going to be my first line, this is going to be my second line. I can see that as soon as I select it, the intersection of these two lines is going to be selected as the parallelogram's center. So I click here and it is created. Now again, geometrical constraint is disabled, so I don't see anything important here. Let me do this one more time. This time I'm going to press Ctrl Z and enable the geometrical constraint. I select the centered parallelogram. This is one line, this is another line, and you can see that this is going to be my parallelogram. And you can see that because I have selected two lines, now I have parallelism constraints enabled based on what I have selected before.